How to download Fortnite on iOS and Android devices. In this guide, I will show the steps to download and play Fortnite on mobile devices, starting with Android and then moving on to iOS. For Android users, before you can download, you need to allow apps from any source. To do this, go to your phone settings, scroll down, and select Apps. On the next page, scroll down. Click on Chrome and click on Install Unknown Apps and toggle on Allow from the Source option. After completing the steps above, begin by opening your Chrome web browser on your Android device and search for Fortnite for mobile phones. Click on the first link, which will direct you to the official Fortnite website. Scroll through the website and select the Android option. On the next page, scroll down to locate and choose the option to download the Epic Games app. You'll be prompted to download the Epic Games app. Click on Download to proceed. After the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder and install it. Open the Epic Games app upon installation. Fortnite should be the first game option. Tap on it, then follow the prompt to install by clicking Install and then Continue. Please note that the size of Fortnite is around 11.72 GB, so you must have enough space on your device. Fortnite will commence installation on your device. Once installed, launch the game and log in with your credentials and accept the terms of play to start playing. For iOS users, click on the link provided in the description below. This link will take you directly to the download page for Fortnite. Click on Download. On the following page, scroll down, select Launch iOS Safari browser, and follow the download process as instructed. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the Digital DIY Guide channel for more tutorial videos.